Hey, Kate, can I ask you something?
Yeah, sure. What's up?
Do you ever feel like your day is just happening to you? Like you wake up and suddenly it's evening and you don't even remember what you did?
Oh my God, yes, all the time. It's like, where did my day go?
Exactly. That's what we're talking about today.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back. I'm Kate.
And I'm Martin. How are you doing today, Kate?
I'm good. I had my coffee this morning, so I'm ready.
Ha! You and your coffee. You can't start the day without it, right?
Never. Coffee first, then I can be a human. What about you? How was your morning?
Pretty good. I actually woke up early today. I'm trying to build a routine.
Ooh, look at you, Mr. Routine over here.
Hey, don't laugh. It's hard.
I know, I know. And actually, that's perfect because today we're talking about daily routines, how to talk about your day in English.
Yeah, and this is day 16 of our 30-day English speaking challenge. Can you believe we're more than halfway?
I know, time flies. And if you're new here, welcome. We're so happy you're here.
And if you're enjoying this podcast, please hit that like button. It really helps us.
And subscribe. We post new episodes regularly, and we don't want you to miss them.
All right, so Kate, let me ask you, why is talking about daily routines important?
That's a great question, Martin. I think it's because it's real life. When you meet someone new or when you're chatting with a friend, you talk about your day.
Right, like, what did you do today? Or how was your morning?
Exactly. It's simple, but it's so useful. And honestly, when I was learning English, this was one of the first things I practiced.
Really?
Yeah, because it's personal. You're talking about yourself, your life. It's easier to remember.
That makes sense. So let's start simple. Kate, what does your morning look like?
Okay, so I usually wake up around 7 a.m.
Usually?
Yeah, usually. Sometimes I wake up at 6:30, sometimes 7:30. It depends
On what?
on how tired I am. If I stayed up late the night before, I sleep more.
Fair enough. So you wake up at 7, then what?
Then I lie in bed for like 10 minutes.
Wait, you just lie there?
Yeah, I check my phone, I scroll a little. I'm not proud of it, but it's true.
Ha, at least you're honest. I do the same thing.
Really?
Oh yeah, I wake up, I grab my phone, I check messages, emails, maybe watch a video, then I finally get up.
See? Everyone does it. It's normal. But after that, I get out of bed and I go to the bathroom. I wash my face, brush my teeth.
Classic. What about breakfast?
I always have breakfast. Always. I can't start my day without food.
What do you eat?
Usually something simple toast with butter and jam, or cereal, and coffee, of course.
Of course, you mentioned that already.
Because it's important, Martin.
I know, you love your coffee.
What about you? What's your morning like?
Well, I wake up around 6:30.
Oh, early.
Yeah, I like mornings. They're quiet. I get up, I drink some water first.
Water, not coffee?
I drink coffee later, but first I drink water because it wakes up my body.
That's smart. I should try that.
You should. Then I go for a run.
Wait, you run in the morning?
Yeah, just 20 or 30 minutes. It gives me energy.
I could never. Running in the morning? No, thank you.
Why not?
Because I'm too sleepy. I need at least 1 hour to feel awake.
That's funny. For me, running makes me feel awake.
We're very different people, Martin.
Yeah, we are. But that's okay. Everyone has their own routine.
True. So after you run, then what?
I come home, I take a shower, and then I have breakfast.
What do you eat?
Eggs. I make scrambled eggs almost every day, sometimes with vegetables.
Nice. That's healthy.
I try. And then I make coffee, and I sit down and plan my day.
You plan your day?
Yeah, I write down what I need to do. It helps me stay organized.
Wow. I don't do that. I just go with the flow.
And does that work for you?
Sometimes. Other times I forget things.
See, that's why I plan.
Okay, maybe I should try it. But let's talk about the afternoon. What do you usually do after lunch?
Well, it depends on the day. If I'm working, I usually work until around 5 or 6 p.m.
And do you take breaks?
Yeah, I try to. I usually take a break around 3 p.m. I make tea or I walk around a little.
That's good. I think breaks are so important. If I work for too long without stopping, I feel tired.
Same. What about you? What's your afternoon like?
I usually work too, but I also try to do something fun, like maybe I listen to music or I call a friend for a few minutes.
That's nice. It keeps you happy.
Yeah, exactly. I don't want my whole day to be just work, work, work.
I get that. And what about evenings? What do you do after work?
I love evenings. That's my time to relax. I usually cook dinner.
You cook every day?
Not every day, but most days. I enjoy it. It's relaxing for me.
What do you cook?
Simple things: pasta, salad, chicken, rice. Nothing too complicated.
Sounds good. I'm not a great cook.
Really?
Yeah, I can make basic things, but I'm not creative in the kitchen.
What do you eat for dinner then?
Sometimes I cook something simple, like you said. Other times I order food.
Ah, delivery.
Yeah, it's easy. And honestly, after a long day, I don't always feel like cooking.
I totally understand. And after dinner, what do you do?
I usually watch TV or read a book. I like to wind down.
What do you watch?
Anything, really. Sometimes a series, sometimes a movie. What about you?
I watch TV too, or I listen to a podcast.
While doing what?
Just relaxing. Maybe I'm on the couch, maybe I'm cleaning up the kitchen.
You listen to podcasts while cleaning?
Yeah, it makes cleaning more fun.
That's smart. I should do that.
You should. And then before bed, I usually read for a little bit.
In bed?
Yeah, it helps me fall asleep.
What do you read?
Fiction, usually. I like stories. They take my mind off the day.
That's nice. I try to read too, but sometimes I'm too tired.
I know that feeling. Some nights I just close my eyes and I'm out.
Yeah. So, Kate, let me ask you something.
Sure.
Do you think having a routine is important?
That's a good question. I think yes and no.
What do you mean?
Well, I think having some kind of routine is good. It gives you structure, but I don't think you need to be super strict about it.
Like you don't have to do the exact same thing every day?
Exactly, because life changes, right? Some days are different.
True, I agree with that. I like having a routine, but I'm also flexible.
Right, like if something comes up, you can change your plan.
Yeah, the routine is there to help you, not to stress you out.
Exactly. That's a great way to say it, Martin.
Thanks. And I think for English learners, talking about routines is really helpful.
Definitely, because you use it all the time.
Right, and it's a great way to practice simple sentences.
Like, I wake up at 7, I eat breakfast, I go to work.
Exactly, short, clear sentences.
And you can add details when you're ready, like, I usually wake up at 7, but sometimes I wake up earlier.
Or, I like to have coffee in the morning because it gives me energy.
Yes, see, you're already practicing.
And the cool thing is, everyone's routine is different, so you can talk about your life.
That's true, it's personal, and people are always interested in hearing about each other's lives.
Exactly. So if you're listening to this, think about your daily routine.
Yeah, what do you do every day? What's your morning like, your evening?
And here's a question for you, our listeners.
Ooh, yes, let's ask them.
Okay, so what time do you usually wake up?
And are you a morning person or a night person?
Yeah, we want to know. Leave a comment and tell us.
Because we're really curious. I bet some of you wake up super early.
And some of you probably stay up late.
Exactly. Everyone's different.
So let us know. We love reading your comments.
We really do. It helps us feel connected to you.
And it helps us make better content for you.
True. Okay, Martin, before we finish, let's do a quick recap.
Good idea. So, today we talked about daily routines.
We shared our own routines, what we do in the morning, afternoon, and evening.
And we talked about why routines are helpful, but also why you don't need to be too strict.
Right. Flexibility is important too.
And we encouraged you to think about your own routine and practice talking about it in English.
Because it's a great way to practice real-life English.
Exactly. And remember, you don't need perfect grammar. Just try to speak.
Yes, don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's how you learn.
We all make mistakes.
Even native speakers.
That's true. Okay, so we're going to wrap up now.
But before we go, we want to say thank you for listening.
Seriously, thank you. We appreciate you being here.
And if you enjoyed this episode, please like and subscribe.
And share it with your friends who are learning English.
Yes, the more the merrier.
And don't forget to leave a comment. We really want to hear from you.
Tell us about your daily routine.
All right, Kate, any final words?
Just keep practicing. You're doing great.
You really are. Every day you listen, every day you practice, you're getting better.
And we're here with you on this journey.
Exactly. We'll see you in the next episode.
Take care, everyone.
Bye.
Bye.